today I have some objects with me, and all these objects represent a particular geometric shape. So I have a football, an egg, a Rubik's cube, a box, a battery, and a party hat. Now all these things resemble some or the other geometric shapes. So let's identify what these are, and let's also discuss their characteristics. So first of all, let's take this ball. Now this ball resembles which geometrical shape? Well, the answer is sphere. Definitely this resembles a sphere because it's round from every angle. Now let's discuss how many edges does it have. Well, in the case of football, if you touch a football, do you find any edge? Well, there are no edges in the case of a football because it's spherical in shape. So 0 edges. Now what about faces? Well, definitely it has a face. Well, if you touch it, you find a face, but that's the only face. You don't have a number of faces in the case of sphere. So when we talk about football, which is spherical in shape, it has just one face. Now what about corners? Well, we don't have any edges, so edges don't meet, and we do not have any corners in the case of a football or a sphere. So 0 corners. Now will it roll or will it slide? Well, it has only one face, and that is a curved face. So it will always only roll, never slide. So it will roll. Now next we have an egg. Now egg is oval in shape, isn't it? It resembles oval shape in geometry. So let's discuss its characteristics. How many edges do we see in the case of an oval or in the case of an egg? Again, it's roundish. Wherever you see, you have a curved surface, isn't it? So in the case of oval too, when we talk about edges, there are 0 edges. Now what about faces? How many faces does it have? Well, as you touch the egg, what do you see? You feel just one surface all the time, isn't it? There is no change in surface because it has just one face. So one face in the case of oval. And how many corners do we have? Well, 0 edges. So there is no point of 2 edges meeting. So no corners, 0 corners. And will it roll or will it slide? Again, it has just one surface, and that is curved. So it will roll. Now let's come to the next object. Well, it's a box. Now in the case of this box, which shape does it resemble? What do you think? Well, the answer is cuboid. So the box resembles a cuboid. Now how many edges do we have in the case of a cuboid? Well, in the case of a cuboid or this box, we have 12 edges. So 12. Now how many faces do we have? Well, if we talk about faces, we have total of 6 faces in the case of a cuboid. And even this box, if you see, the box has 6 faces in total. So you can have a look at such a box and you will see that it has 6 faces because it's cuboidal in shape. So I have 6 faces. Now how many corners do we have? Well, in the case of a cuboid, we know that it has 8 corners. So this box will also have 8 corners because it is cuboidal in shape. So I have 8 corners. And will it roll or will it slide? Well, it has only flat faces. All the 6 faces are flat, so it will slides. Now let's have a look at this Rubik's cube. Now this resembles which particular shape? Well, it resembles a cube, so it's cubical in shape. Now how many edges do we have? Well, even in the case of a cube we have 12 edges, so 12 edges. Now how many faces do we have? Well, just like a cuboid, even a cube has 6 faces, so 6 faces. So Rubik's cube has 6 faces. If you touch the faces of a Rubik's cube, if you count the faces of the Rubik's cube, you will find that it has 6 faces. Now how many corners are we talking about? Well, just like a cuboid, even cube or a Rubik's cube will have 8 corners. And will it roll or will it slide? Again we have 6 faces which are all flat, so it will slide. Now let's come to this battery. Now this battery resembles which particular shape? Well, the answer is cylinder. So it resembles a cylinder. Now if we talk about cylinder, how many edges does it have? Well, in the case of cylinder we have 2 edges. So this is one edge and this is one edge. So we have 2 edges in a cylinder. Now what about faces? Well, in a cylinder we have 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. So we have total of 3 faces. If you look at a battery, you will find that it has 3 faces. And how many corners are we talking about? Now in this case we have 2 edges, but we have no corners because the edges do not meet. So we cannot have any corner until the edges meet at a point. So although we have 2 edges, we have 0 corners in this case. And will it roll or will it slide? Well, both, because it has both flat surface and curved surface. So both. Now we have a party hat. Now which shape does it resemble? Well, it resembles a cone, isn't it? It tapers and it has a flat surface. So we are talking about a cone. Now how many edges do we have in this case? Well, we have one edge. So the edge that joins the flat surface and the curved surface of the cone. So this is one edge which we are talking about. So we have just one edge. What about faces? Well, faces we have 2. So this curved face and the flat bottom. So we have 2 faces. And what about corners? Well, we have 1 corner. So in this case, because cone is shaped in such a way that the curved surface tapers and makes a corner here. So we have 1 corner in the case of cone. So cone is a very special case where you have a corner but the edges don't meet there. So this is the only place where you have 1 corner. So we have 1 edge, 2 faces and 1 corner. And does it roll or does it slide? Well, both, because it has both curved and flat faces. So both again. Now can you find the shapes in this case? Well, we have a very complex image. Now it has a number of shapes. Can you identify the shapes in this? Well, if you see, we have this part here which looks like a separate shape, then this part here which looks like one more shape, and then the base here is also a shape. So what shapes are we talking about? Let's see. Well, in this shape we have this curved face and it tapers and makes a corner at the top. So which shape does it resemble? Well, it resembles a party hat, isn't it? Which is nothing but a cone. So this shape here is a cone. Now this part here, well, we can see that the edges are round, isn't it? And this is a curved face again. So what are we seeing here? We see a cylinder, one curved face and two flat faces. So this is a cylinder. Now what about the base? Well, if you see one face of this base, it's a rectangle, isn't it? This particular pair is longer compared to this particular pair. So this shape is made up of rectangles and all the faces are flat, isn't it? So which shape are we talking about? Well, this is a cuboid. So in this particular figure we have a cone, we have a cylinder and we have a cuboid. So there are so many different shapes and there are so many different objects that resemble these shapes. So if you know these shapes properly, whichever object you have in front of you, you can actually relate it to some or the other geometrical shapes.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.